Welcome to Healthy Recipes, your go-to YouTube channel for nutritious and delicious meals. Today, we're exploring the realm of low-calorie recipes, ideal for anyone on a weight loss journey. Eating fewer calories doesn't mean you have to compromise on flavor. With the right ingredients and cooking methods, you can savor tasty meals that align with your goals. Why low-calorie recipes are effective for weight loss. Weight loss revolves around creating a calorie deficit, burning more calories than you take in. The key is to select nutrient-dense, low-calorie foods that keep you satisfied and energized. This means incorporating plenty of vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats into your diet. Here are these recipes with instructions. (1) Zucchini noodles with garlic shrimp. Ingredients: 2 medium zucchinis, spiralized. 200 grams shrimp, peeled and deveined. 2 garlic cloves, minced. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 1/2 teaspoon chili flakes, optional. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. (1) In a large skillet, heat the olive oil over medium heat. Add the minced garlic and sauté until it becomes fragrant. 2. Add the shrimp to the skillet and cook for 2-3 minutes on each side until they turn pink and are fully cooked. Remove the shrimp and set them aside. 3. In the same skillet, toss in the zucchini noodles and sauté for 2-3 minutes until they are slightly tender. 4. Return the shrimp to the skillet and mix everything together. Season with chili flakes, salt, and pepper. (5) Serve hot and enjoy this quick, low-carb dish. 2. Greek yogurt chicken salad wrap. Ingredients: 1 cup cooked chicken breast, shredded. 1/2 cup plain Greek yogurt. 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard. 1/4 cup celery, diced. 1 tablespoon fresh parsley, chopped. 1 whole grain tortilla. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. 1. In a mixing bowl, combine the shredded chicken, Greek yogurt, Dijon mustard, diced celery, parsley, salt, and pepper. Mix until Everything is well combined. Two, place the mixture in the center of a whole grain tortilla. 3. Wrap it tightly, slice in half, and enjoy a creamy, low-calorie lunch or dinner. 3. Berry chia seed pudding. Ingredients: 1/4 cup chia seeds, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup, 1/2 cup fresh mixed berries, blueberries, raspberries, or strawberries. Instructions: in a bowl, mix chia seeds, almond milk, and honey until well combined. Cover and refrigerate for at least 4 hours or overnight, allowing the chia seeds to absorb the liquid and thicken. Stir the pudding and divide it into serving bowls. Top with fresh berries before serving. Bonus tips for low-calorie cooking: use non-stick pans to reduce oil usage. Add spices and herbs for flavor without extra calories. Opt for fresh ingredients to maximize nutrients. Enjoy these easy and flavorful recipes that fit perfectly into your weight loss plan.